With Dr. Sapp. We're still here at the doctor's office. I don't know what's going on. She says that he's just kind of, he swallowed. Oh, he's done?
Yeah, he's done.
Oh.
We're going to take his tomorrow.
Oh, we'll take his tomorrow? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, you may come up. We're going to do others.
Oh, you have a new patient? Another patient?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm feeling well.
Okay.
Hooray!
All right, bye. I'm so glad you helped him. I don't know what you did, but hey, it's amazing. Okay. Okay. So this is the baby? Okay.
You may sit down.
Sit down right here. Okay.
Well, let's get a baby. Let's take her. I'll take her to your baby waiting area. Okay. Okay.
Oh no, this is the baby waiting.
Oh, this is the baby's waiting area.
Yeah. Okay, so mine. You're supposed to see it.
Okay. We'll be back.